Yeah, this tiny boat living adventure ain't too bad out here. Been a while since I shot a video for this channel. We are on Old Hickory Lake, which is part of the Cumberland River. Going pretty slow out here, just kind of enjoying it. Sun's out, feels great, a little bit of a breeze. If you look behind us, you'll see, over my canopy, you'll see Cedar Creek Marina. It's a beautiful day. So I'm coming into the cove. This is Lone Branch Recreational Area, Lone Branch Cove. We pan around, Cumberland River's over there. Old Hickory Lake, and there's a yacht club, gas dock. There's a recreation area over there. So just kind of slowly putzing in here to the cove. Gonna meet up with friends out here. Gonna tie up for the night. There's actually an anchored ball out here. It's an anchor point which we tie to, which allows us to feel a little safer about not moving at night. So we're lucky usually to get a hold of that. I'm never usually on the ball. Usually somebody else gets it. I'm just not good at it. I single hand, so I could probably do it by myself, but I just usually I'm the later to get out here. I'm not really the first one to get out here. It's beautiful out here. No houses. There is an overpass down past this where the cars go by on Bender's Ferry Road. The recreation area is pretty nice. People fish out there and picnic and put their small boats in over there at the little put-in area. Is there a put-in area there? I don't know, maybe there's not. There's people actually swimming out here today. So I'm gonna head around and say hi to some other folks here and come back and tie up with my friends. So enjoy your weekend. Boy, it smells amazing out here. So this was my final destination for that last trip. Lone Branch Cove. We're in the cove right now, tied up to the ball. And here's my boat. Let's go down here. Staying up for the night. Can using solar for my refrigerator. Everything else I can run randomly from solar. Here's the tie up back here. Got 3 boats so far and a small runabout. Beautiful day out here. And gonna stay for the night, so love being out here.